How to split screen on Fortnite PS5. First of all, log into Fortnite with your regular controller. So as you can see on the left hand side, just regular login with your one controller. Don't turn the other controller on just yet. So once you're on Fortnite on this menu here, what you want to do is go ahead and turn on your other PlayStation 5 controller just by pressing the PlayStation logo down. Then it should pop up like this, where you'll be able to click on player 2 or another account. If you want to, you can add another user or just click player 2. Then you can see player 2 at the top right will be logged on there. Then what you want to do is press the triangle button on your second PlayStation 5 controller. Then it should look up something a bit like this, where it says player 2 at the bottom. Then you want to go click on back to the home screen there, and you should see the two accounts that are kind of together on the home screen there, the two characters. That's when you know it's done. Then you can press the triangle button to then go ahead and find a game. You can go ahead and do all the other stuff within there, but once you have the two players in the lobby like that, then you'll be able to just go ahead and find a game. It can be a ranked game, regular Fortnite game, duos, whatever you want. As you can see, it's preparing there, and then it will drop you in, and you'll have split screen where the top half will be one controller and the bottom half will be the other. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.